Have you guys wondered what $700 in rent gets you in Korea? Yes? Of course you have. Today I'm going to show you guys a typical Korean studio apartment, and it's none other than Jimmy Mansion.
That's right, this humble studio apartment is where your good friend Jimmy lives. My monthly rent here is just over $700 including the utilities. It's undeniably small, but in Korean standards, this is considered to be a somewhat nice studio apartment.
Now I'm going to take you guys through the entire apartment, including my secret dungeon on the second floor. You guys ready for this journey? Then come with me. Okay, it only seems right that we start from this hallway. Most of Korea, we never use keys because we're like smart. We use this electronic keypads. And welcome to my dungeon. So this is the first thing you're gonna see as soon as you enter. So every time you enter a Korean home, you'll see this little space where you can take off your shoes. And beyond this, there's absolutely no shoes allowed. And of course, there's a mirror. I always check my bicep size here. I don't know, not big enough, but I guess it's acceptable.
Should we check out my kitchen designed for hobbits?
I'm using a wide angle lens, so the space looks bigger than it really is. But honestly, this is not a lot of space. But I would say this is big enough to get the job done. Oh, that's what he said. And a little bit of a cabinet space here. I'm sorry it's not super well organized. If I had more space, I would have done a better job. Oh, also down here, there's a washer. So what you realize in Korea is that it's very hard to find dryers. It's not that we don't like to use dryers, of course it's great to have, but it's just that a lot of Korean homes don't have enough space for a dryer. But Jimmy, where's the fridge? I'm failing to find it. My fridge is right here. Oh, by the way, these are my homemade sake. Those are also my homemade sake. I made it for a video that's gonna come out later, so stay tuned. Yeah, clearly I don't have that much in my fridge. Oh, this is kimchi, by the way. There's a proof that I'm still Korean. Now, I would love to show you guys the living room now. But before I do, let's check out the bathroom.
Of course you guys want to see where I poop and piss.
Whoa. Clean as fuck, boy. So guys, this is my bathroom. It's honestly one of the nicer bathrooms that I had in Korea. Believe it or not, it smells fantastic too. I had a really bad case of food poisoning recently. I think the bathroom started smelling even nicer after that. Oh, do you guys want to know my shower and skincare routine? So this is my shower booth. Honestly, kind of a luxury in Korea. We don't really have shower booths in Korea. Shower head. When I take shower, oh Jesus. I just got the most affordable products on the internet. Oh, and this. Oh, you guys wonder what this is? It's my private toy. I stick it up in all kinds of places. No, it's like a facial washer thing that I got for a video and then I never ended up using. Now, a lot of you guys asked me about my skincare routine. Since you guys seem genuinely curious, let me tell you. So this is the facial cleanser that I use. I don't really know the science behind it, but it's probably a lot better for your face than soap. So after I'm done washing my face with this, I use these two products. First this one and then this one. Now, do I know what these really do? No, but do I know that I've been using it for over 10 years and I feel like these two products were good for my skin? Yeah, I think so. Well, if you guys want to buy them, I'm going to leave some links down below. You use my Amazon affiliate link. You don't have to spend more money, but every time you buy, I get a little bit of commission. Well, I guess there's nothing else that's all that cool here, except, do you guys see this technology from the outer space? Oh, Uncle Jimmy, what's that for? Well, are you guys one of those monsters that just take a piece of toilet paper after doing a number 2 and just smudge everything around your butthole in the hopes that it got most of it out of there? And you just get up and pull your pants up and then walk around like nothing happened? If you're one of those people, I don't know if I can talk to you because that's barbaric. This thing is called bidet. So if you turn this knob, it's gonna start water gunning your butthole with clean water. Isn't that awesome? Do you guys wanna see the full power? Ah! Oh, Jesus. What is going on? That's enough water pressure to kill a small child. Please. Women can also use this for their no-no part, which I think is really cool. Anyway, that was my bathroom. Now I think we're ready to move on to the living room. Let's go check out what I got. Oh, by the way, that's my painting. I sold it to a friend, but I forgot to give it to him. I'm a pretty artsy guy. I like to express my feelings through art, you know? So I don't know if you guys noticed, but this studio apartment is kind of small. So it really matters that you utilize every space that you can. On the left side, there's a built-in microwave. So just about everything that you see here, it's actually storage space.
You guys will notice that the things in the hidden drawers are just kind of all over the place. That's because I enjoy chaos. It makes me feel dangerous and unpredictable. Legend has it that Harry Potter used to live here when he was an infant. I kicked him out after the Brexit though.
Oh, by the way, some of you guys asked me what kind of camera gear I have. And the camera that I use for most of my videos is this camera, Sony ZV-1. Also, the one that I'm holding right now, it's called Sony a7 IV. This one's obviously the better camera out of the two. But the ZV-1 is more compact and it gives you really nice 4K footage too. If you want to start a YouTube channel, trust your Uncle Jimmy and get this right here. Of course, it's better if you use the link down below.
Now let me show you guys my workspace, living room, however you want to call it.
I must say, I quite enjoy the amount of sunlight that I get here. A lot of the more affordable places in Korea, they don't really get direct sunlight.
Oh, you guys want to check out this shelf? Okay, let me show you.
Another one of my painting. You see guys, I resonate strongly with the feeling of sadness. Bunch of sunscreens. And this, my friend got this from Egypt. It's supposed to bring you lots of fortune. It hasn't happened yet. Really nice Christmas decoration. I really like it. That's my Overwatch hat.
I'm guessing you guys want to take a look at my closet where I keep all my outfits. I'm sorry guys, I don't know why I spoke like that. That's just how I imagine those people that like to talk about their closets sound like.
This is where I keep all my t-shirt and underwears. I know it doesn't look very well organized, but what can I say? There's order within this chaos, and it makes me feel really comfortable.
Most of my clothes are like 5 to 10 years old. I'm like one of those guys that never got into fashion. But who cares? I feel like I still look amazing.
And this is my workstation setup. A lot of you guys really like my chair. I got this from a Korean brand called Zenix. It was like $150. Honestly, it's not the most comfortable. And I have this dual monitor setup. That's my lighting for when I stream. And this older generation Sony camera right here is the one that I use as my webcam. I actually got this keyboard from one of my viewers from Singapore. I think I also had this for like 2 years now. Good mechanical keyboard, I love it. And I got this keycap from Twitch Korea. Behind this monitor, I keep my baby wipes. Don't ask me why. You see guys, sometimes you work in front of your PC and things can get messy. I also have this mic for my voiceovers. It sounds fantastic and it looks professional, so it makes me feel pro too. And it's got like good thickness and length to it too. Feels nice on my hand. Do you guys want to check out my PC too, by the way? Forgive my cable management, guys. I'm just trying to go for the dystopian cyberpunk look. Oh my god, dusty as fuck, boy. Now, I got this PC like 5-6 years ago. Back in the days, I paid like $5,000 to get it. I was able to afford it because I had a real job. It crashes really often and is struggling a lot in general. So hopefully my YouTube business goes well this year because I don't think this PC survives this year. By the way, don't get your PC from iBuyPower. You guys did a terrible job building my expensive PC. Well, custom built PC companies, if you guys are watching this, reach out to me, we can work together. And talking about PC, I got a new laptop recently. You guys want to check it out? Oh, I forgot to show you guys this. Oh, there's a hidden table right here. This is dope. So I got this laptop a couple weeks ago. I got it secondhand because, you know, I don't have money. But there's a funny story about how I got it. Do you guys want to hear the story about how I got it? Okay, let me tell you. So I did my research and this is the exact model that I want to buy, right? So I tried to get it secondhand from the internet and I saw one listing selling it for like $1,500, which is already a fair deal, but I sent him a lowball offer for like $1,250 and he accepted it. And he's like, fine, we'll do that. So the seller shows up to my neighborhood with this laptop and he looks like a, you know, kind of a chubby, very nice looking, very geeky looking dude. And he's like, do you want to inspect it in my car? I'm like, yeah, let's inspect it in your car. So we sit inside his car, and my god, he is a geeky, nerdy dude. Inside his car, it smells like freaking Anime Expo. It's like an all-out biochemical warfare, okay? So he's showing me all the specs, and he goes, by the way, you just didn't have the money, right? Because if you lowball me, I'm gonna feel pretty bad about this. And I just had to give him this movie quote. Does anybody have enough money? And he goes, he just didn't respond to me, it was super funny. Well, guess what? He got the money, I got the laptop. It's well over $2,000 new. Being the businessman that I am, I got it for $1,250. The reason that I got this laptop despite my unstable financial standing is because I plan on traveling a lot for content this year. And I'll be editing my videos while I'm traveling. So hopefully things go well for me. If not, there is no if not. These are kettlebells that I use to work out at home. Look how skinny I am. Oh, better work out. I like going to the gym. Sometimes I just don't feel like it, you know. Talking about working out, do you guys want to see the supplements that I take? That's a protein supplement that I take. That's creatine. And that's the pre-workout supplement that I sometimes take. Honestly though, just take protein, some creatine. I feel like these two are enough for me. And no, I don't take steroids. That's kind of silly. It's almost like you wanted to get buff so badly that you had to take steroids? If that's the case, maybe instead of working on your body, you need to work on your fragile ego. So I do my best to free up as much space as I can. But obviously there's no space for me to sleep here. So where do I sleep? Well, come with me to my bedroom. These stairs are like so tiny that I have to like crawl up literally. And I do this on the way down. This would be illegal in a lot of countries, but it's what we have here. And look, there's my bedroom. There's a light switch over here. By the way, the ceiling here is about waist height, so I wouldn't really call this a room, but more just like a platform for my bed. Hey, but it's enough for a queen size bed. Cozy as hell. There's a little bit of storage space over here too. So all the things that I don't use often, I keep them up here. Well, since I'm a bad boy, so very often I go to bed really late and I wake up really late too. So I have this eye mask and earplugs for when I sleep. And also, I have this green screen for video game streaming. Now since I moved here, I just use it as a curtain. I also keep some Kleenex right next to my bed. Because guys, sometimes I get very emotional at night and I cry, and this is what that's for, okay? Trust me bro, those are for my tears. Well, the view from up here is not bad at all, right? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my cute little room tour. What did you guys think? Is this a great deal for $700 a month? A lot of the things that you saw in this video, you can buy them using the links down below. For no extra charge, you guys can help me out. So how great is that? Oh, and do yourself a favor and watch my other videos too. Thanks guys.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Get ready for my Japan contents very, very soon. Oh, stop wasting your life. Watch another video of mine, okay? Thank you.